get on TV with your message. As you saw, I've been on 22 major television networks, or you can go easy and just start to do some social media posting to build authority and visibility. The other thing you can do is you can create your own show and get visibility while creating authority, right? So a lot of people talk about this. I've done over 100 Blog Talk radio shows way back in 2006. I then started my own Facebook Live channel, and it was called Tech Talk with Tracy. And then I got my next TV show, which is called Reach Millions TV, and it's on Roku and Amazon and Apple TV and over 300 distributed networks. And then I resend that and I podcast it to Spotify, iHeart, and Amazon Music. I've done almost everything. I've actually been on the back seat of a airline, American Airlines. When you get on there and they're playing those commercials, I was one of those commercials. Okay, I've literally, been in this field a very long time. I've done over 400 podcasts at least. I have my own TV show. I've spoken in 39 countries, 27 times in Forbes, tons of magazines. I have over 100 books, right? I talk about 9, but I have over 100. But there is one solution that has produced more leads, more sales, and more income rapidly than all the others combined. And it takes a fraction of the time. Who wants to know what that is? Well, here's the way. The way to stand out and attract clients effortlessly is by hosting your own 4-hour impact philanthropy workshop. Is your own personal money-making machine that helps you scale with less work. Your stage, your authority, your credibility, you are the leader. And as awesome as all that other visibility is, you actually don't really need it, right? This is what I mean by saving time. It goes back to presenting in front of the right fit audience. For example, getting on TV was awesome, but it wasn't my right fit client, was it? Right? It increased my visibility, my brand, my positioning. It added to my credibility and authority, and it was all fun, right? But presenting for 4 hours at your own event makes you an instant influencer and a thought leader by your positioning, because people paid and are there to listen to you, right?